Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart your device. So basically this operation will be useful for some reason your device does not respond to your touches, it freezes and you have no idea what to do. Then you can try to force restart it, and all you have to do in order to do that is to press the power button, which is right here, and press it long enough to see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. I'm pressing the button right now. Of course, we've got this reboot option, but let's ignore it. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing. And as you can see, we've got the black screen right now. And we can see right now the developer's logo. So after a second your device will be turned on, and hopefully it will work normally. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.